Do you know many people are having trouble with figuring out the drive type of the Chamberlain 050DCTBMC? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Disconnect power. Disconnect all electric and battery power from the garage door opener before starting. Step 2. Remove light lens. Remove the light lens by pulling the top side and swinging it down. Squeeze the clips to free the lens. Step 3. Disconnect wires. Disconnect the wires from the quick connect terminals and remove the logic board end panel. Step 4. Remove logic board. Unplug the wire harnesses and remove the receiver logic board by taking out the screws and releasing clips. Step 5. Install new board. Install the new logic board, connect the wires, and reinsert them into the terminals as directed. Step 6. Program opener. Program the opener by pressing the Learn button, holding the remote control button, and confirming the light blink. By following these steps, you should now successfully identify and replace the drive type of your Chamberlain 050DCTBMC garage door opener. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Chamberlain users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.